Phillip Williams, head coach, St. Andrew Technical.
All right, Mr. Williams, a solid performance, 6 goals scored by your team today, and you guys basically dominated the game, the entirety of the game. I realized that the midfield, you had so much control of the midfield. Is that how you guys train to really keep possession of the ball?
Definitely, that is how we want to see our team playing, and we try as best as possible to play how we train. And today was a good example of the boys executing what we have trained.
At halftime, what was the instruction at halftime? I think you guys were leading 3-0 at halftime. What was the instruction?
I think the boys were rushing the game a little. I mean, we had the better of this team, and I think we were rushing the game a little. So we just asked them to just cycle, pass the ball around, get a feel of the football, and practice in terms of our passing game, in terms of what we have been training. And I mean, this was a perfect opportunity for us to do so. So that was basically what the halftime talk was about.
Yeah, man, because I realized that the first half was really rigid, but you guys came out in the end. You guys have a vast support here. The fans turn out for you guys. How you feel about that?
The fans are always welcome. I mean, without the fans, you feel as if you're playing in a vacuum, and we really welcome the fans out and think they are enjoying themselves after the 2-year break after the COVID-19. And it's good that the team is putting on a show for them.
Top of the table and flying now. What next for you guys?
Our focus is not really to top this table. I mean, we are focused far beyond the first round. In terms of our ambition, and we are just trying to get the guys, keep them focused on the task at hand, because Manning Cup really start after the first round. So definitely we have to get the boys grounded for whatever challenges come after the first round.
Yeah, from my research, I realized that you guys have a very young squad. So how do you keep these guys level-headed, knowing that your squad is so young and the team is performing so well? What is the formula? I would say a lot of people would want to know.
The focus comes from the fact that we make them know that being young is not an excuse. We train just as though we have trained every other team before them, and they have to live up to the legacy or the reputation that the other teams have created before them. And they are a young bunch, yes. They can play, yes. And to keep them focused, we have them knowing that there are much to be achieved. There are much to be recognized in terms of what we are doing at Staths. And these guys have embraced the challenge and are executing day in, day out.
All right, coach. And well done and good game again, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thanks much.